lines and angle. Lines, a straight one-dimensional figure that does not have a thickness, and it extends endlessly in both directions. Angle, a straight one-dimension figure that does not have a thickness, and it extends endlessly in both directions. A point is represented by a dot and is used to tell the exact location in the space.
I am YiJun. My topic that I'm going to explain is parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and related angles. First, parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines that are equally distant and never meet. Both may or may not be equal in length, as you can see here. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect each other at a 90-degree angle. As you can see, this red line over here, this is a 90-degree angle. Related angles. For each pair of related angles, there is a particular name given to them. These angles are related to each other based on some specific conditions.
Two figures can be called congruent when they are of the same shape and the same size.
A line symmetry is the line that divides a shape or an object into two equal and symmetrical parts. It can be flowed along a straight line and both sides overlap exactly. For example, a circle has an infinity number of lines of symmetry.
Rotational symmetry is when an object looks the same when it rotates on its own axis.
Alright, so it's me YiJun again, and I will be explaining this topic, which is polygons and circles. These are regular polygons. Triangles, you see these are regular polygons because they are symmetrical. They have a line of symmetry, as you can see. The sum of interior angle of a polygon adds 180 every time one side is added to a polygon. An irregular polygon is a polygon which is asymmetrical, which means it doesn't have a line of symmetry. As you can see, these are all regular polygons because they have a line of symmetry. A circle. A circle is a shape. It's a 2D shape. Its central angle is 360 degrees. Its line of symmetry is infinite since there is every way possible there is a line of symmetry in a circle. Next are triangles. There are many types of triangles, such as the equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal, which is around 60 degrees. This is an isosceles triangle, which means two of the sides of this triangle are equal. A scalene triangle doesn't have any sides which are equal in size to another. And by angle, there are acute triangles which has all three angles are less than 90 degrees. Next is a right angle triangle, which has one angle which is at 90 degrees, as you can see here. This one is a 90 degree. An obtuse triangle means it has one angle which is more than 90 degrees. On to the next person.
Plans and elevation are 2D drawing of 3D shapes. A plan is a scale drawing